When you spray your face, you're like, woo.
I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like, woo. Big moves. My rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like, woo. Who said they looking for me?
I feel like the two most important steps when you're doing your makeup routine is how you prep your makeup and how you set your makeup. If you mess up the prep or if you mess up the set, your makeup isn't gonna last as long and it's not gonna look as flawless and it might not even look good to begin with, okay? Today we're gonna talk about my top 10 favorite makeup setting sprays. So this is how I set my makeup. There's nothing worse than when you set your makeup and it's ruined because the makeup setting spray leaves splotchiness on your skin, like your makeup starts to break up. You have to be really careful about the setting spray that you choose to use because it can make or break your look. These 10 setting sprays are not gonna fail you. Each one I use for different things, so you can decide which setting spray you would like to get. A lot of these makeup setting sprays you've probably heard of or tried yourself already. Some of them you might not be too sure about, but I am not gonna lead you wrong. I have been doing my makeup consistently for 15 years. I have been on YouTube for 15 years sharing all of my tips, my tricks. So you best believe I've tested a lot of makeup setting sprays and these are my tried and true ones. So if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead, click that subscribe button, hit that bell so you're notified as soon as your girl posts a new video because I'm gonna be sharing a lot more beauty tips and tricks on my YouTube channel. If you have not already checked out the Get Ready With Me, you're missing out. I filmed a full real-time Get Ready With Me on this look right here. It is an hour and 20 minutes long. It is available for purchase on my website right now. So if you're interested, I will leave a link down below for you guys as well as a card up top. Also, if you're interested in checking out this wig, I just added it to my resale website and I have a couple others available as of the time I'm filming this video. That doesn't mean they'll be available once I post it. So if you're interested in that, I'm gonna leave a link in the comment section down below. I'm gonna pin a link for you guys and I'm also gonna leave that link in the description box down below as well. So let's go ahead and get into my top 10 favorite makeup setting sprays. So this isn't gonna be in any particular order. I'm going to break down the setting sprays into two parts. So the first type of makeup setting spray that I like to use is a long-lasting makeup setting spray. This is what's going to allow your makeup to stay on all day long. So all the setting sprays within this category are long-lasting makeup setting sprays. So first up is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I've added this into my routine within the last like 8 or 9 months and I've already been through a full size bottle of this. Matter of fact, I got a sample size, then I got a full size bottle, and I like using this to prep my face as well as set my face. When you use this at the beginning of your makeup, before you apply any face base, foundation, primer, anything, and at the end, I promise you, your makeup is going to last for 10 plus hours. It's not gonna come off until you take that baby off. So this is a must-have for me. Definite must buy. It is not overhyped at all. Next up, we have the tried and true Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. They have so many variations of this setting spray. This is the OG right here, okay? I have used this spray since it came out and I don't even remember when it came out, but I feel like it's been out for at least like 7 years, okay? I have been using this for a hot minute and they collabed on this setting spray with Scandinavia. And if you know anything about Scandinavia, they had the makeup setting spray game on lock back in the day. And there was also another product back in the day called Model in a Bottle. That one was bomb AF as well. I don't know if they still carry that, but Scandinavia and Model in a Bottle, those were like the setting sprays back in the day. We didn't have too many selections. Now we have so many, but if you have not tried Urban Decay All Nighter, that original, not the matte, not the other ones, this one right here in this purple bottle, yeah, try this baby out. You're gonna love it. Your makeup is gonna last all day, all night. Also, if you tried this one and you're a fan, you may love their new one as well. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Hyaluronic Acid plus Watermelon Fruit Extract Makeup Setting Spray. So this is one of the newer ones in their lineup. It smells really nice and it's a little bit more hydrating than this one. I've been testing this out and it's been working very great to set my makeup as well, but I've only been using this for about a week or two, so I'm not sure long term on this one, but I am including it in my top 10 because your girl loves hyaluronic acid and it has been working out great for me, and I honestly have not used a makeup setting spray from Urban Decay that I don't love. If you're on the hunt for a new one, definitely check this one out. So one of my newest long-lasting makeup setting sprays to my collection is the One Size Until Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray, and honestly, I was afraid to make this purchase just because I don't really like a mattifying setting spray. Like, I want my makeup to be long lasting, but I tend to not like the mattifying setting sprays, so I was kind of on the fence about whether I wanted to try this one or not. There are a lot of opinions on this setting spray. People either love it or hate it. The people who love it swear by it, say it's waterproof, say their makeup lasts all day, and the people who hate it say it has left splotchiness on their skin and it's made them look casket ready and all types of things. I've tried it out for myself. I've been using it for the past 1 to 2 months and I have to say I love it. That's what I use to set my face today. Makeup is sitting, baby, okay? This setting spray is a thumbs up for me. It's a must-have. I will continue to buy this baby, okay? If you're going to be gone all morning through the night, you need your makeup to look good from morning to night, this is the spray I'm gonna be using, okay? This one gets me through the whole day. All of them really get me through the whole day, but this one, it gives that extra and I think it's because it's a more mattifying setting spray. I definitely recommend this one. Next up, we have the Benefit the Professional Super Setter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray, and this one is bomb as well. It's not quite matte, but I would say it's in between a matte and a hydrating formula. It's not quite as matte as the One Size, but this one right here, your makeup is going to be stuck to your face, okay? Now, if you're an OG, you know about this next setting spray. If you're not, you probably like, girl, what is this? You cannot get this from Sephora. You cannot get this from Ulta. You cannot get this from any drugstore or any makeup store at all. You're gonna have to go to a place that sells stage makeup. So online, I know for a fact that Costco sells this. If you're in Atlanta, they have a store here. I hope it's still available because I haven't been there in a few years. But the Ben Nye Final Seal, okay? This is what I used to use when I did clients' makeup, when I did bridal makeup, when I did makeup that needed to last all day long, all night long. Final Seal. It has like a minty smell to it, so when you spray your face, you're like, ooh, like you don't want to breathe this baby in. But when I tell you, it is an inexpensive setting spray, but this baby works because it's for stage makeup. Your makeup will be on all day long. So if you have never tried Ben Nye Final Seal, Ben Nye Final Seal is stronger than all those setting sprays that I just used combined. I wouldn't use this every day. This is for like special event, like it's your wedding day or you just need your makeup to be looking good for this event. You don't need anything to move, okay? We already got through my 6 favorite long-lasting makeup setting sprays. I also like to use a hydrating makeup setting spray after I use a long-lasting setting spray. That way I can make my makeup look melted. So the long-lasting setting spray for me is for longevity. The hydrating setting sprays is to melt that face so that it just looks super flawless. I have 4 of these and I'm gonna talk about this one first because it is an OG, the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Setting Spray. Baby, if you have never used this, you've been sleeping under a rock if you're into makeup. Not the matte version. I like the regular Fix Plus, okay? Like I said, I'm not big on the super matte, but I literally will douse my face in this. I literally bathe in this stuff. You can use it to revive your makeup if your makeup is looking too cakey, too powdery, or if you just need an extra boost throughout the day, MAC Fix Plus you need this in your life, okay? So another hydrating makeup setting spray that I love is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. This one is a little bougie. Don't even grab this one if you're not trying to spend a lot of coin, because I think that the other setting sprays work just as good, but I love this one, y'all. It definitely gives that dew. It definitely feels luxurious. It feels like a whole vibe. If you're going for like a more aesthetic setting spray that you want to have in your bag and just reapply it when you're out, Tatcha is that girl, okay? So another hydrating makeup setting spray that I love is the Fenty Beauty What It Do Makeup Refreshing Spray. This is a hydrating setting spray and it's bomb at breaking up any of the products on your face. It gives a nice glowiness to your skin. Rihanna did her thing with this one. So the last hydrating makeup setting spray that I want to talk about is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I know this is probably considered to be a more long-lasting setting spray, but in my opinion, it is more hydrating. I think that your makeup will last longer with this as well, but I don't really include it with my long-lasting setting spray roundup. I like using this to melt my makeup. It is that girl for melting, okay? If you're interested in checking out any of the makeup setting sprays that I shared in this video, I have linked all the makeup setting sprays in the description box down below, as well as throughout the video within YouTube. If you're interested in checking out any of my top 10 makeup setting sprays, I hope that y'all found this video helpful. I have plenty more videos like this coming up. If you enjoyed it, definitely give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not already checked out my latest Get Ready With Me video, I share a lot of exciting news with y'all, so you better catch up. Go ahead and go to that video next.